I hated everyone till you, I swear. We're just people made of broken pieces. I got secrets, you got secrets in your eyes.
A fine group of girls. They're the truckers' wives who wait for their men. When they kiss them goodbye and watch the taillights fade, it's a lonely wait until they're home again.
Oh, you gonna take me home tonight? Oh, down beside that ripper line. Oh, you gonna let it all hang out that bottom, girls, you.
But who is worthy to be trusted with the secret to limitless power to become the Dragon Warrior? I don't know.
Maurice is right. You can't run around like a footless chicken.
Headless chicken, Your Majesty.
No. How's a chicken supposed to run around without a head?
How's it run around without feet?
I'm not a chicken, Maurice. Why are you asking me all this question?
I'm Tom.
I'm Jerry.
You talk! Well, sure I talk. What do you think I am, a dummy?
You said it. I didn't.
Ah, you little pipsqueak. I ought to... Hey! How come you never spoke before?
Well, there was nothing I wanted to say that I thought you'd understand. And there still isn't.
All right, that does it. You little... Boy, you get me angry.
Just another play for today. Oh, but I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of you. Nothing left to make me feel small. Luck is left.
If you're hungry for a hunk of fat and juicy meat, eat my buddy Pumper here because he has a treat. Coming down a dine on a Stacy swine. All you have to do is get in line. Ah, you ate it?
Yup.
Oh, some bacon.
Yup.
He's a...
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks
So in their own way, we make each other strong. We're not the same, we're different in
Hey, boy, double MC. Life is too short. So if you love somebody, show me if you love somebody. Tell me if you love somebody. Yeah, just tell somebody. I love you. Yeah.
Hang on a minute. I just need to understand something. Right, so... You will fight against them. They will fight against you, all on account of him wanting to kill him.
1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. They always wanna come, but they never wanna leave. Exes in their
See, the name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come.
Hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did
Me banana.
Daylight come and me want go home.
Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana.
I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod, when you're staring at a demigod.
gotta say my name.
I don't know your name.
Well, I can't say it.
How about a game of charades?
Yes, let's play it.
2 words.
Okay.
Second word.
Right.
Drink?
No.
Beverage?
No.
Wine?
No.
Juice?
Yes.
Okay, first word.
Okay.
Bug?
No.
Ant?
Close, but no.
Beetle?
Back up! I'm crazy! I'll be tripping! Ow, what the?
Tumble out of bed and I stumble to the kitchen. Pour myself a cup of ambition and yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jumping.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10.
Here you go, way too fast.
Bam, 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 to the boot, oh rude, to the boot, oh rude, to the boot, oh rude, to the bam, 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 bam. I got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. I got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. She rock to the east.
She'll wanna get away from the strain. Oh, pot you gotta play, 'cause I got what you need, so come with me.
Macarena, bala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Bala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, Macarena.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Hillbilly rock, hillbilly roll, stand in line and away we go. A little bit of moonshine, a little bit of meat to the hillbilly rock and roll.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone.
One of these products we had to test. Oh. We had a bit of fun with it though, didn't we, Grandad?
No,
Wait till you see this, Rory. Sing, Grandad. Sing the song for Rory.
no.
Come on, Rory. Press play on that. Wait till you hear this. It's fantastic. It's a cowboy song. Come on, Grandad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No cowboy went right down one dark and windy day.
Who's that sexy thing I see your for the days of doubt? And for when I think I lost my way, there are no words here left to say. I got a jar of that. I got a jar of that. Got it.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Not the mama. Not the mama. Not the mama. Not the mama.
You do that one more time and I'm gonna throw you across the room.
Not the mama. Again.
Hasn't been decontaminated yet. Jacques! Oui. Clean in. Oui. Ocean! Ouh, la mer. Bon. Voilà, he is clean.
Somebody loved me. Everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together.
Want some pizza? Come and eat a piece. Sing the chorus, make it cheesy, please.
I'll be your friend right till the end. Join the party. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Wrong lever! Why do we even have that lever?
Ability woman is just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster.
You know the 80s song, Easy Edition.
Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
I'm not afraid anymore!
Buzz, will you get up here and give me a hand? That's very funny, Buzz. This is serious!
Hey, y'all sing it with me.
All right, fine. I'm not talking to you anymore. In fact, I'm going to whisper so that by the time my voice reverberates off the walls and gets back to me, I won't be able to hear it.
Them colors you wear are the colors you bleed. And man, happy are you, but win or lose, we're still a fan. Here's one poor heart.
Oh, you know, so be careful when you hold my girl. Time changes everything, life must go on. I'm not gonna stand in your
I rage against the trials of love. I curse the fading of the light.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together.
A song about Coraline. She's a peach, she's a doll, she's a pal of mine. She's as cute as a button in the eyes of everyone who ever laid their eyes on Coraline. When she comes around exploring Mom and I.
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been died.
Here we go.
Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, boom, boom.
But I've been forgotten, I know. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
What is love?
'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
You and me, right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
You can't stop in avalanches or races down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will. And you could try to stop my dancing feet, but I just cannot stand still. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round. My heart keeps time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard the drums, and I found my way. 'Cause you can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began, a woman found out that she could shake up a man. So I'm gonna shake and shake the best that I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sound of the sky. You can wonder if you wanna, but I never ask why. 'Cause if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in your eye and say that you can't stop the beat.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. While the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment.
Stay back, I got a chainsaw. Uh-oh.
What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor at the light in the morning? Way in, she raises way in, she raises way in, she raises at the light.
When you touch me, I feel funny.
I feel it too when you're touching me.
Come to my tree house, to my party.
Yes, I'll go if you carry me.
No, that's always been your thing. Oh, come on, just do it. Short one, long one. Yeah. Do it! Do it. New. The hell was that? You sound like some anemic French guy. New. German. Jawohl. Chinese. Gay guy.
It's nice to meet you. Are you ready for some Fazbear pizza?
Who's this? Working at the night shift?
I don't know, but I don't think I like him.
He's so cute. I can feel his heart racing.
About time we had a brand new plaything.
Another yellow belly balking like a chicken.
Listen,
Nuts? What's going on?
He just gonna kidnap Princess Minnie so I can become king because he's really a bad guy. And he has a secret nail and it's really dark and scary. So the point is, instead of chaos will continue his way, so we should run down as far away as we can.
Donald, I can't understand a word you say.
Potato, I say. Well, I say potato too. Does anyone say potato? I mean, really? Who says that? Name one person who says potato. You can't, because no one says it. No one on earth says potato. So this is a moot point. It's moot. You say potato, I say potato.
Coffee? I can't believe I'm saying this, but drink up. We may want to stand back. Go get him, boy. What have I done?
The chest! Hand it over! I can set you free, mate. My freedom was forfeit long ago.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, 'cause of power. Yeah, you're just somebody that I used to know.
I need your love, I need your
milk. You let us mean to me, many God. What a terrible performance. Get the hook. You don't swing it like you used to.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on.
You okay?
I'm terrified.
Why?
I've been looking out a window for 18 years, dreaming about what I might feel like when those lights rise in the sky. What if it's not everything I dreamed it would be?
It will be.
And what if it is? What do I do then?
Well, that's the good part, I guess. You get to go find a new dream.
If there's a price for rotten judgment, I guess I've already won that. No man is worth the aggravation.
Is a temple of art, a precious cornucopia of creative energy.
Where's my team, Darvis? What the heck are those two doing in a
There a
tree?
sign on the milk in the fridge that said "Do not drink." Could you drink it? Why was there a sign? It was spoiled. Did you drink it? No. I'm gonna go check the fridge. Yes, yes, I did. I did. Why? Why did you keep the milk? Were you trying to see if it would turn into cheese?
Without me. They do this every year. Why? Doesn't anyone love me? Isn't there anyone who cares about Sid the Sloth?
Tell us the least I can do. Soon she will feel that her nightmares are real.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. Ten Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much. I'm Mr. Green Christmas. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm Mr. Heat Blister. I'm Mr. 101. They call me Heat Miser. Whatever I touch starts to melt in my clutch. I'm too much.
You remind me of a man. What man? Oh, the man with the power. What power? Oh, the power of voodoo. Voodoo. Oh, you do, you do. Do what? You remind me of a man. What man? Yeah, the man with the power. What power? Yeah, the power of voodoo.
Left me, and I'm out in the rain. Those last few answers were hard to obtain.
Feel the shot, body rock, rockin' don't stop. Round and round, up and down, around the clock. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be
hiding in the trash can? Something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream!
It's Halloween, red and black, slimy green. Aren't you scared? Well, that's
once, say it twice, take a chance and roll the dice. Rhyme.
If I can't help falling in love with you.
Ariel, listen. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is so much better than anything they got out there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's way.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her
Without you, I feel broke, like I'm half of a hole. Without you, I've got no hand to hold. Without you, I feel torn like
This does.
I'm in danger.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once?
You remind me of the babe.
What babe?
Babe with the power.
Power.
Power of voodoo. You do. Remind me of the babe.
Quiet! A goblin babe.
I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Which one, man?
The one that goes boo 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 bop 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 bop. But I do believe you've dropped your wallet.
Doesn't look familiar to me.
What? I just saw you drop it. Here.
Nope, it's not mine.
It is yours. I am trying to be a good person and return it to you.
Return what to who?
Aren't you Patrick Starr?
Yep.
And this is your ID?
Yep.
I found this ID in this wallet. And if that's the case, this must be your wallet.
That makes sense to me.
Then take it.
It's not my wallet.
That's my tender, oozing blossom. You're looking fabulous today. Is that a new haircut? Come on, tell me. It's a new haircut, isn't it? It's got to be a new haircut, new makeup. You've had a lift, you've had a tuck, you've had something. Something has been inserted in your skin that makes you look like... Listen, I need a favor. Randall was working late last night out on the scare floor. I really need the key for the door he was using.
Well, isn't that nice? But guess what? You didn't turn in your paperwork last night.
He did? No? Paperwork?
This office is now closed.
Don't React Challenge Part 113. Get your scrunchies ready. We're doing some 80s. Let's go.
DJ Blizzard. Now I gotta cut loose, put loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, take on me, take on me, take on me. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Come a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss.
What's your plan for getting past those guys?
Live bait.
Good idea.
Hey, come on, Timon. You guys have to create a diversion.
What do you want me to do? Dress and drag and do the hula? Hoo-ah! Why, I oughta... Let me at him! Let me at him! Here, hold me back. Okay. Let me at him! Let me at him! Okay. I think you're missing the basic point here.
Another shot of truck stop coffee as I run in through his veins. This world turns on 18 wheels. Thank God we can depend on brothers of the highway.
Bamboozled!
We've been Smeckledorf.
That's not even a word, and I agree with you.
Promise me you will believe. I will try. Good. My time has come.
The bells, Batman.
and smelt Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile lost the wheel and the Joker got away.
No. Come here, pretty boy.
Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Mouse, you wish. You're in an apartment. That's a rat. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, and believe me, the room could use some fresh air.
Everybody saying chocolate.
One horn flying purple people eater. Well, this here, what's that? This here, yes, this here is a balloon. A what? A balloon. A balloon. Yes, I have a balloon. He's got a balloon. Look, I know what I've got. He's got a balloon. So you know what? Walk like a chicken or sing like Elvis. You can't hypnotize them to death. Survival instinct's too strong.
Blood control was just one form of conquest. I could summon the Armada and take this world by force.
Well, yeah, you could. Yeah, you could do that. Of course you could. But why? Look at these people. These human beings. Consider their potential. From the day they arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun. There is more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than... No, hold on. Sorry, that's the Lion King. But the point still stands. Leave them alone.
I'd like to take a moment before we begin to close our eyes and meditate on the year that just passed. Maybe not.
An angel, talk like an angel, but I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh yes, you are.
And why aren't you in uniform?
I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no props. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, Ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull my hair, they throw my comb. Well, that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Pray, won't you tell me who is she? Tell me, Ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull my hair, they throw my comb. Well, that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Pray, won't you tell me who is she?
This was really fun. We hope you liked it too. Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well that's okay. 'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. And tomorrow, just like today, the moon, the bear, and the big blue house will be waiting.